So today we will be going over Lab 2 for SCADA EMT 320. For this lab, we were asked to create 4 full-size windows, a navigation banner, as well as a pop-up window. It said that all of my full-size windows are borderless and without title bars. The navigation banner should be bound to the left of the screen and should be able to open each of the 4 different windows. And then a single pop-up window should be able to be opened from navigation buttons located inside each of the 4 main windows, as well as the pop-up window will have a close button and label component. The parameter I pass through my buttons that I will show you allows you to see which screen the pop-up was pulled from, and as well as how to change all of the background colors on the pop-ups and other windows for the lab. So starting out in our programming, I have my navigation bar that has been bound to the left side of my screen and it's set to open on startup. And this has 4 separate tab buttons, all of which guide me to my different windows. In my pop-up, I have my pop-up set for its colors, if I can get down to it. For the colors on the background, that's foreground. Oh, because I'm on the label. There it is, background color for 255, 255, 138. Also, for my navigation for the root container, you find the background color, and those are all set to 170. Then we go into our windows themselves. Each of these have a individual pop-up button, and the background color has been changed here. So if we hop over into our Vision client, this is what we see. We see our windows, our full-size windows that have no label and are not able to be closed. If we were to click the pop-up button, it opens our pop-up and it tells us that this was opened by button 1. This allows us to exit out. We go to window 2, we see pop-up 2, or our same pop-up pops up. However, it tells us that it was opened by button 2. It is the same for 3 as well as 4. That was done back in our coding. If we go to our buttons here and we go to the button properties, we passed a parameter to the body of our pop-up window, and it put in a hard code value of open by button 1, and this was changed for each individual button. So button 2 would say open by button 2, open by button 3, so on and so forth. That is my lab 2. If there are any questions or any mistakes, please let me know. Thank you for watching.